Let me introduce this Dr. Sahab, very intelligent dermatologist from east part of India, near Calcutta, Durgapur, West Bengal. So it was nice having with you, Dr. Saha. So let's share your experience with the ISHR Fellowship. You're here for a month roughly. You have done a long fellowship. So how did you come to know about us, Doctor?
So I got to know about ISHR through the internet,
Okay.
through Google and
Good, good.
YouTube as
Okay,
well.
okay, that's good, that's good. So what made you first, decide to join ISHR?
So the skill of hair transplant was something that I was long interested in and wanted to acquire. Plus, along with that, the videos and everything convinced me that this was the right place to get a lot of the guidance, not just limited to hair transplant, but the whole paraphernalia surrounding it as well.
And then I think you attended a webinar also, no?
Uh,
Or no?
no,
Acha,
sir.
acha, fine. Because webinar, then you come to know more about it. Did you speak to me on the phone?
Yes, sir. I
So I think
spoke to
that
you.
must have cleared the picture more,
Yes, sir.
right?
I
Yeah, yeah.
spoke to you once a year before also, and
Okay, that's fine. You're in a medical college right now,
yes,
right?
sir.
You're just 32, pretty young.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, right.
Thanks
You,
for that.
yeah, yeah. One can look at his hairline. You're so beautiful. So we have taken the pictures. That's great. So can you share some ideas about the heads on what all you got here?
So we had adequate exposure of all the critical components of hair
Yeah,
transplant. That
yeah,
is, right from the beginning, like how to
yeah.
prepare a patient and what to do when the patient first comes to you. And then on the day of transplant, what to do a few days before transplant, what to do on the day of transplant,
Yeah.
and starting from the
And
anesthesia
slitting,
procedure,
slit
the
makings,
making of slits, the
extraction,
extraction, punching, and then finally the implantation, and
the
then of
hairline
course
designs.
the critical aspects of hairline design, and then of course the post-transplant care.
And we did some research on eyebrows
Yes, sir.
and other things.
About transplants on eyebrows, transplant from beard hair, from body hair, and transplants on burns, scars as
Yeah.
well.
And of course, we together worked upon the logic behind it, right?
Yes,
Ki why this is so.
right.
Because once you develop the logic correctly, then science will keep changing. So right now you're doing fellowship, tomorrow you might be giving fellowship, right? And you might be training people. So once the logic is clear, ki why this is so. Like if we are saying 45-degree, why not 20?
Right.
If we are not using adrenaline, why? If you're not using methylparamin, why? So once the fundamental are clear, then it's a self-learning later on, right? And of course, we discussed about clearing some international exams so that you can go abroad and do it. You're part of the world, how to set up your center. And you had other dermatologists together. It was a good teamwork. Yeah. So we
To
are,
exchange
yeah,
ideas and
yeah.
know how to do places as well.
Of course, we are going to miss you and blessing you
This
to
this
be,
is
yeah, blessing you to be very big doctor, great hair transplant surgeon, making India proud.
thank you,
But
sir.
you promise me as soon as you go back, do two, three small cases, and with some nurses and all, so that you get that real all alone, the process. And of course, we're going to send you the best of technicians, the some assistants if you need. So all the best to you and thanks for coming and be in touch whenever you're coming for some conference to Bombay. Okay, yeah, take care.
Thank you
Bye,
so
bye,
much.
bye, bye.